Did you know that the college-age students are expected to drop over 15% by 2029? Tuition fees are going sky high, college degrees are still feeling wobbly, and with the rise of AI, students are keep asking that is college degree is still worth it anymore, or what should I do with my life now? If that feels confusing to you, this is why we are here. Today we will figure out that what should we do and how we should manage our life now. See, it's just not the college that is falling apart. It's student uncertainty. With AI changing everything, the classic part, which is study hard, get a degree, land a job, feels broken. And maybe it is, but it doesn't mean that we are powerless. What matters is that how to pivot. Let me be realistic here, that degrees still matters in the fields of medicine, law and engineering, places where credentializing is non-negotiable. But in many tech fields, guess what employees are really care about? They don't care about your degree, they care about your skills, your projects, your ability to use AI as a tool, not a crutch. So if you're in college, don't just chase grades, build projects, use AI to solve your real-world problems. And if you're not in college, don't panic. Online learning can work if you're disciplined, focused, and willing to prove what you can build. Let's come on the main part, that is what to focus on in 2025. Number 1, AI literacy. Know how to prompt it, guide it, and spot its flaws. Simple strategy. Number 2, creative problem solving. You don't need to know the answers. You need to know that how to ask questions. Number 3, and my favorite one, communication and leadership. Explaining ideas, leading teams. These skills won't die. Trust me. Number 4, financial sense. Building AI-powered income stream. Side hustles, freelancing. Learn the basic. Learn how to make money with AI. And number 5, learning agility. AI tools update weekly, so if you can learn fast, you can win. You have to learn at least a new skills every day. And guys, watching AI demonstrations all day on social media, that is not learning. Instead, creating something is. So let me help you to structure your time so that you will not burn out. And this is my own cheat sheet because I'm also a final year student getting my degree done and doing everything on side by side. So here how I schedule my week. 30% on the foundational learning or college requirements so that you can pass out with the 3.5 CGPA. Yes. But 40% on real world projects using AI and every new tools that is coming on the market. Important. And the remaining 30% on exploring new skills, experimenting and losing your mind into the curiosity. Because remember, curious mind will always find an innovative ideas. So stay curious and innovative. These strategies will not just prepare you for the exams, but they will prepare you for the life, for your future. The question is that why do students and the people are feeling stuck right now? Because there are hundreds of voices shouting at you. Some says that AI will replace human, some promises the job that don't yet exist, but the truth is that they both are partly correct. Old job will fade, new job will rise. Your edge is to be flexible. The final answer, that don't drop out, don't freeze, don't follow panic. Instead, just adapt. Partner with AI, build, think, create. Make things that is matters. Because of this, you can ride this AI age, not just survive it. And if this video helped you to clear up some of your fog, hit the like button and share it with your confused friend and drop your biggest question below in the comment section. Your answer might help someone else too. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.